Dorbar Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Ka Business Advisory Committee jangka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly hakalai pui truk naitung aja penrio kala menjur ya kajing penbet Sngi pan pelong ya ke Dorbar Synrai kapasan Sngi kapan Sdang Naduh ke apsau truk Nailar bat kapan kut hadu ke arpa pra truk Nailar aja penrio haba keren cikilap thai khubor ulampang ke Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ Thomas Sangma ulong baka jingsyong Dorbar kapasan Sngi kan kentup ya kilai Sngi nakabenta ke government business Berki Sngi kinlong nakabenta ki private members business. Hakan ni jingelang, lai simbenta lang du sembut menteri rangba kajela, uba kami atanat parliamentary affairs, uba perstun tensong, unong yalam kaliang persya, Dr. Mukul Sangma, chief whip kaliang persya, uba Charles Pingrop, secretary jangka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, MS Sangma bat kiwi.
The Meghalaya Legislative Assembly had the Business Advisory Committee meeting to chalk out the calendar for the autumn session. And today, the BAC had agreed upon having a 5-day autumn session commencing from 24th of August 2026 till which is Monday, and till 28th August 2026, which is Friday. So we are going to have 5 days of autumn session, wherein there will be 3 business, government business days, and 2 private members business will be held. So the BSc had agreed upon, and it was attended by the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister in charge Parliamentary Affairs, Leader of the Opposition, Dr. Mukul M. Sangma, and Opposition Chief Whip, Mr. Charles Pingrop. I will try my best to accommodate all the members concerned, and I will see that all members get the opportunities to express their concerns at the floor of the House.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon ha upod usam ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya ka we ka them artli ki jala ha ka benta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar phaudli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hang ta kadon ka air quality monitor ka balapin pa ya ka khubor bala pau perthai ha ka benta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santali ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya bentalang Synrai ka jingmi cha bo ka ya pher de na kata ka daw kini artli ki jala menta ki Sdang pen khre banthau ya ka joint action plan